So here's the funny thing about this project here is I was giving one instruction for this. This is a band logo that I'm kind of touching up a little bit here, and the only request I was given was make it less childish. That was it. That was the only guideline I had from this. So I'm gonna do my best to make sure this is less childish. Anyways, this is a logo for a friend of mine's band. Yeah, we're gonna make it less childish. They're a, I guess, like thrash band. They're not bad. I'll have some other music playing here in the video. The name is Barrage, is the name of the band. Saw them play recently during this festival this weekend. I've seen them play twice. Pretty good, I have to say. Normally, when it comes to local bands, they're either a swing or a miss. But I say these guys are pretty good. Pretty good. I mean, if you like that kind of music, anyways. But anyways, so yes, my goal is to make this less childish. Now the funny thing is, I've actually already, obviously I've edited this logo and I've already sent it to them, and well, basically what I was told is this logo can't be saved. If it was my opinion, if it was my the logo, I already have billions of ideas in my head how I can redo this to make it better, but it's not my logo. It's not my place to fully change it. I can only change it so much, before people get a little offended, maybe. Actually, when this band first started, I was asked to design them a logo. They didn't pick any of my designs, but yeah. I mean, look who's having the Childish logo now, though. So, originally the logo had a tank on the top of it, which kinda was cool. The way the tank was drawn was a little weird. I think if they had straighten some of the edges a little bit, make them a bit sharper, I think it'd be good. Which is the gist is what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of making the words less thick. I feel blocky letters are the reason why it looks childish. I think the thinner letters and maybe kind of sharper points would make it less childish is the word. That's always the funniest thing though about getting a project and someone's like, can you make it just 20% sexier? I'm just like, what does that even mean? People give you some of the most vague guidelines when it comes to designing things, but then again, there are people who could be very detailed and they still don't give you they still may not like what you give them. That's just the beauty of graphic design work. It's just you're not gonna please anybody. Honestly, there's a lot I would have done this logo to redesign it, but not my place to do that. I mean, I guess it is. I mean, I was asked to fix it. You know what? We're just gonna do a little bit here and there. I mean, there are sometimes I do work and I'm only put this amount of effort, because I'm technically not even getting paid for this. So yeah, I'm not getting paid for this at all, so I'm not gonna put that much effort in it. But I spent a good hour on this. Yeah, I mean, I shortened the video down to 8 minutes. But yeah, it was a good hour on this. That's what I could do with an hour. I could have watched 2 episodes of a Brooklyn Nine-Nine or something like that, or could have went for a walk, got some exercise. I could have took that time to record this audio, which is what I'm doing right now. I also found out that usually when I record audio, I record it in an audio recording program, edit it there, and then I would bring it into the my video editor. But I learned I can just, overlay it already directly into the video maker, so I don't have to like save it, drag it. I'm learning all these new things. This is all new to me, like doing all this, and to be honest, I don't even know why I'm doing it, but it's been fun to just kind of like these little videos I do here and there. Shit, nobody watches them except one person, but yeah, it's been fun. So how was everybody's week? My week was pretty interesting. I'm already at 5 minutes. I got 3 minutes to go. Okay. My week was pretty interesting. Today, oh man, I had the worst stomach ache. Like, I thought I was gonna die. I woke up at 4 in the morning, and I just, this pain in my stomach, and it just would not go away. I don't know what I ate. Probably because I ate like 2 whole pizzas by myself. That might have been it. I don't know. They're still up for debate. It also could be the fact that I ate Chick-fil-A for like 13 days in a row, and then I stopped eating it, so maybe that was the reason. Who knows? I mean, no one can ever find out. It's a mystery to this day. But yeah, I super painful. Took Pepto-Bismol twice. That kind of helped, but the moment I started moving again, didn't work. I had to like sleep sitting up. Took some Alka-Seltzer, passed back out because it was hard for me to sleep, and then at that point, I have a blister on my elbow. Anyway, at that point, it's time for me to go to work, and so I just straight up call in. I'm just like, I'm not coming into work, And then my boss is like, hey, and if next time you're gonna take off work, you should let me know in advance. I'm like, first of all, sir, there have been times you've gone to like different countries, and I found out the day of. So I thought that was a little rude on that behalf, but whatever. Anyways, so this video is coming close to an end, and I did everything I could to make this less childish. You couldn't see this, but I'm doing quotations. But anyways, this is just basic stuff here and there. If you have any questions about Photoshop stuff, I'd be happy to answer. I could say this though, the thing about Photoshop is you can easily just look it up online. It is so simple. Maybe I should actually do tutorial videos. Yeah, I think I might release a stupid video, but I think after that I would really like to do a tutorial video. I don't know of what though. I know how to make a moon in Photoshop. That's actually a pretty cool thing to do. Anyways, that's really about it. Bye.